This is the Envoy. Confident, minimal and unmistakably modern. Once again, it's a building from our signature collection, and I think you'll agree that the styling is unique. It starts with these bold oak posts leaning out with purpose. Give that show of strength and power. You've got the bold styling across the front fascia, but there's no beam across the front of this building. The roof just seems to effortlessly glide between the two posts, just to give that real architectural feel to it. Then on the front here, you've got the step, which again is in a light smoked oak composite cladding, with the feature decking lights, just to illuminate your building at night time, just to bring out that quality, that style. We then move inside through a sliding patio door, UPVC door, which glides seamlessly. We then move inside, and once again, this building is large enough to be split into two spaces. At this end, we have the gym, which is a nice space for doing those workouts. And as you can see there, we've got the printed graphics on the wall. We can arrange those graphics for you. We've got matting, rubber matting here, which is, of course, the little details that you installed. Once again, you've got the luxury vinyl tile on the floor, which is that impact resistance, gives that really tough floor finish that you need. You've got enough space for some seating. And then at this end of the building, we have the amazing bar. Now, whether a bar and a gym to go together, not necessarily always, but look, the opportunities for this building are endless. A really good solid oak worktop bar with a bespoke fitted bar unit underneath. Feature lighting across the bar there, your tap fitted, feature wall units, and the all-important graphic, which really brings your space to life. Crafted for life, you could say.